So I have seen many comments from my recent video that you're asking for the free portfolio. But before you you can create a free portfolio, you need to understand how to use Canva first because mostly you will do Canva and I will be giving a free template that you can download and edit on your Canva yourself for your portfolio. And yeah, so I would highly recommend since if you want to work as a Shopify VA, you always use Canva. And for the design, because you will be creating image for product and then the product description, you need also to create an image to match the headlines of your descriptions when you're doing a product listing. And it is 300 pesos per month. Like I would say really important to have this because if sa free, maraming mga limitations and you can do more with the pro or with the pro plan. So I will be showing you a mini course on how to navigate Canva and how to or how to navigate Canva until how to design or the basic principles of graphic design. Because as a Shopify VA, you can also highlight your skill, you know, how to create images because mostly for graphic designers, they can work as a Shopify VA since they can create graphics for their products. Also, they can make image ads for the marketing section of or the marketing aspect of e-commerce. So yeah, you can start a free trial at least isang buwan naman nata to. And yeah, that's it. Okay. So this is what Canva looks like on the homepage sa account mo. So normally you will see your designs here. And now I will show you how to navigate Canva. And you can just choose which size you want. So they have a template already for Instagram promos, resume, Instagram story for if you're a graphic designer, you can also be a graphic designer. Pasok din siya sa Shopify VA because sometimes may mga hiring as an e-commerce VA na mga social media manager, so also graphic designer. And yeah, for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a custom size. So normally gumagamit ako nito. And then I always do 800 by 800. It's a square size. Still use PX and then create new design. So, dito mo gagawin yung design mo. So, pwede ka mag-add ng iba pang page in case madami yung, for example, you will be a product lister yung nag-a-add ng mga products sa isang website na yes, isang Shopify website ng client mo. And then, you need to create at least 4 to 6 images for your products. Kung madami, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito and then add ka pa ng isa. Also, you can use this as a duplicate page. Same na din sila ng um, gamit nito. However, for example, may design ka na. So, okay. If you create page, hindi siya maki-carry on. However, if you just duplicate this, okay, dalawa na sila. Okay. Sa sa Canva, ang ginagamit ko lang madalas is designs. Kasi naghahanap ako ng mga made templates na that I will use as inspiration when I do my graphics. And also, itong Elements tab. So, you can um, see all the elements here. For example, shapes, graphics. So you can actually see it here. Shapes, graphics, frames, photos. Depende lang sa kung anong gagawin mo. And then also text. So you can use this or you can just use this. It doesn't really matter kasi same lang din naman sila. Ito mas maliit. But I always just use this one because you can just change the size. You can just resize it here, pwede din ito, pero mas mabilis kapag ito ka nagda-drag ka na lang, okay? And then you can change the font style here. There's a lots of templates to use. Sorry, nagla-lag kasi naka-record ako. And choose it here. However, itong mga naka-king, ito lang yung mga pro users lang yung pwedeng gumamit yan. Yung free, yun yung sabi ko kanina na kapag naka-king ka, maraming limitations. And then, with the font color, custom change yung color, red. And then italize, underline, saka meron pa yung mga effects, and like that. But I will go over on how to like use these effects and animations on my future videos when we do in depth on graphic design. But for now, I'll just show you how to navigate. Mhm. And then uploads. I'll upload here. And then I also use this Magic Medium. For example, I will use or I will ask AI to create a blue and a flower. So you can just use can choose whatever else you can choose the size. Also styles, kung anong meron siyang futuristic, anong realistic photo, and then just generate image. And then just wait until it's done. They see a bee in the flower. So the AI actually provided for variations, so you can just choose whatever looks best for your design. You can also generate again. And also, there are lots of photos here that you can use. For example, you're making some graphics, and just search here photos as well. And if may mga blur ka na mga images, you can just use the upscale image here. That's the only app that I used for this. Also here you can change, you can rename based on your project. For example, you just use test here. Much. Okay, so this one you can just change it here for the size that you want. And for you to download, you need to click share and then download. Okay. So there are lots of options that you can use here. For example, you're making a video, you can just import video SVG. This is actually used for web designers. PDF. So if we will be going to make your portfolio now, you will use this standard. And for images, you always use JPG and PNG. So ang kaibahan is PNG is mas mabigat yung file size niya kapag na-download mo na siya because high definition din siya. Where kapag funnel builder ka or gumagawa ka ng website, we always use JPG because mas magaan yung file niya at kailangan mo yan siya para hindi matagal mag-load yung website mo. So for this, we will use PNG for now. And if you can just, okay, kapag dalawa yung product or page mo, you will see two pages here. For example, marami ka ng design na nagawa. And then you only wanted to download isa lang. You can just click kung ano yung gusto mong i-download. Okay. So, download. Okay. Let's see. Now, let's use the download and use the transparent background here. Ayan. And then see the difference. Kapag gumagawa ng mga logo, you always use transparent background. So, you can just click here. Or di mo siya magagawa kapag JPG. Yan siya nagbulat. See, unlike kanina, see, you have now the transparent and the ones we like. Okay, so let's show you. I'm choosing one of the designs na meron na. Okay, so now, I will show you how to do the layering. So, for example, gusto mo yung, ano, blur, blur. Let's use a different one. Okay, so for example, yung design mo is marami ng mga elements. Ito mga elements. So, we will call this elements. And then, for example, itong girl, gusto mo siya nasa likod. You can just click position and then layers. So, naka-highlight na siya. I-drag mo na lang siya kung saan mo siya gusto. Since nasa harapan naman na siya, try natin siya sa likod. See, nag-overlap yung nauna niyang mga elements. However, para hindi mas mahirap intindihin, ang ginagawa ko na lang is click ko lang if madalas naman kasi isa lang na layer ang gusto ko. For example, gusto ko lang siya sa likod. So, click and then three dots, layers, just send to back. Tapos kapag gusto mo naman siya ibalik, it's either control C, ito. So, mo siya nasa front, tap mo lang yung three dots, then send, bring forward.